Hello, children. How are you all? Yes, good. I hope you all are doing good at your home. I welcome you all to the online course of St. Joseph's Academy. This is your moral science teacher, and today we will study moral science of class 2, chapter number 1, God is Good, part 3. Now, in the previous videos, we have already covered the chapter discussion in part 1, chapter reading in part 2, and today I have brought part 3, in which we will try to solve exercises given in the book. So children, let us quickly come to the exercises part. Okay, so activity 1 given on page number 5. Let us color the sky, moon and stars. So children, as we can see, the sky has moon and stars, which means this is a night sky. And night sky is always dark in color. So we will color the sky with grey or black color. Yes. Now we will also color the moon and the stars with silver color. So children, color the picture very nicely. Okay. Now let us move to activity 2. So children, activity 2 is given on page number 6 of your MSc book. So let us read the question. Let us fill in the blanks. So the question says, fill in the blanks. So there are 5 points given to us. Let us start filling it from point number 1. God dash me, so I am good. Okay. Children, we have read this in the story that everything that God has created is good and nice. So, when we read the first point, God dash me, so I am good, it means that I am good and I am good because God has created me. So, we will write created in the first blank. God created me, so I am good. Okay, so we will write CREATED, created. I repeat, God created me, so I am good. Now, children, come to point number 2. The sky is beautiful because God dashed the sky. Children, again, everything that God has created is beautiful. So, in this point, the question is, the sky is beautiful. Yes, the sky is beautiful because God dashed the sky. So, God dashed the sky. Yes, very good. God created the sky. So, I repeat, the sky is beautiful because God created the sky. Now, let us move to point number 3. When I do good, I dash God. So, students, in this story we have read, when I do good, I reflect God. When you do good, you reflect God. And then Papa says, when you do good always, you always reflect God. So, if any person does anything good, he or she reflects God. Okay, so let us come to the point now. When I do good, I dash God. So we will fill in the blank by using the word reflect. 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 I repeat the answer, children. When I do good, I reflect God. Now let us come to the next point. When you do good, you reflect dash. So children, just now we have read, when anyone does anything good, he or she reflects dash. What would be the answer? God. Yes, very good. So we will fill the fourth question by using the word God. So I repeat the answer. When you do good, you reflect God. Okay, children. Now let us move to point number 5. God is dash us and dash us. Okay, children. So God is with us and within us. So, children, whenever we need God's help, He is there with us to help us and guide us. So, in the first blank, we will fill the word with. WITH, with. Now, come to blank number 2. God. Now, let us read the question first. God is with us and dash. Okay, so when we do good, we reflect God. It means that at the time in which we are doing good to someone, God is within us. So, in the second blank, we will write within. WITHIN. So, now I repeat the full statement. God is with us and within us. I hope you all have understood this activity too. Now, let us move to the next question. Answer the following question. So, the main heading is let us find out the answers. So, children, now look into your books. There are 2 questions given to us. Let us read question number 1. Why do all creatures look good? So, the question says, why do all creatures, all the living things look good? So, the answer should begin like, because it is God, then we have dash dash dash. So, because it is God, then we have to write something. So, because it is God who created them. Okay, children, now let us move to part 2. What should we do to reflect God? So, how can we reflect God? Yes, very good, children. We reflect God when we do anything good. So, we will write, we should always do good to reflect God. I hope you have understood the question answers. Now, let us move to the next part, which is let us repeat. So, children, here we have a statement and we have to identify who said this statement. Let your friends be those who love God. So, here this statement is said by Saint Chavra and he says, you should be friends with those who love God because only they will love you. If you make friends who do not love God, they will never love you. So, I repeat this statement. Let your friends be those who love God. So, children, this statement is said by Saint Chavra. Thank you, children, for watching this video. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Have a nice day. Thank you.